Foam-free designs on trend. Dahlias, perfect in this situation. Let me show you the mechanics to create this beautiful compote. One of the joys of being a florist today is the diversity of materials. Dahlias in season, we love them. But the pasta gerberas, are those not amazing? And blushing bride protea, same color palette, such unique shape. Dianthus, so many different varieties available now, and yet they all blend beautifully. The container, a compote, a tape grid across the top using clear waterproof tape, gridding across, then wrapping all the way around to make sure it doesn't come loose, then filled with fresh water, pre-mixed with flower food. Hydrangea works so well to add a little stronger armature to support all your stems. Just placing it down in, nice and low. This becomes the base of the arrangement. And then the rest of the flowers will insert through their heads, giving it extra support to keep everything in place. You can always go back and add a bit of foliage if you would like. Just feeding it in and letting it spread out using that radial binding point from the center. The addition of hot pink roses will give a little bit of zing. Again, tucking them low, letting them feed in, down into the water reservoir, repeating, and then coming back with the stars of the show. The dahlias, oh so grand, feeding them through the hydrangea, letting them rest on top, and then the pasta gerbera, coming in, letting it angle through, and then repeat until you have everything in place. With the base of the design complete, it's time to add the fun things. The blushing bride protea, tucking it in so that it's prominent, so beautiful. Feeding it in, repeating, maybe pulling the eye back, coming through the emphasis, then adding in with the dianthus for a delicate look. Just that little lightness, little softness. Then look front to back, side to side, until you're happy with the placement. To finish, a bit more accenting foliage, maybe some lily grass, cutting it down, letting it trail outward, feeding it in. Maybe a little bit of sword fern, come up higher, accenting, right with the pasta gerberas. And then one more dahlia coming up tall on the opposite side. The recipe, I started with 3 of the hydrangea to build my base. I filled in with about 7 stems of the ruscus, then 9 of the hot pink roses to add to that base, 5 dahlias, 3 of the pasta gerbera, a full bunch of the dianthus, and 3 stems of the blushing bride protea. You can see putting it together, adding lily grass and a few stems of sword fern creates a beautiful compote, perfect for any occasion. Compotes continue to be a favorite. Adding dahlias and pasta gerberas, oh my gosh, how fabulous. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it is your turn. Find your favorite dahlias, pick a compote, and create foam-free. Try the grid technique. Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.